Okay, this is how it's streaming, but we'll be doing the recording. Okay, I've done the recording of some video here that I'd like us to see. Okay, this one is pictures, and then over here. Okay. Where was I saving it? Here there is, we can be able to come up with a data format like this. Say when we are doing the analysis, here there is grade count analysis of the grades that are distributed here, so we can be able to know how many grades have been attained as an A or an A minus or somewhere, how many are they. Now, friends, I want us to we are going also to look at graphing this data. Let's dive in. Now we have got the papers, and there are two here. Two papers that have been done. That is CRA paper have been done, and that is we need to have the average, we need to have the grade, we need to have the rank of these students. How do we get the average? The average is very easy. Now you have to just insert the function here, and that will be equals to the average of what? That is the average of C7 to D7. That's the average of the two cells, and therefore you just click enter. Then you hover here on this at this bottom corner of this cell plus, and you double click on that and it analyzes up to down there. Now I've already set this one to 0 decimal points, so you can see that. Then we come here to the grades. Here is where now you have to insert the longest function, and we are going to use if function to come up with the grades. Now you have to just click there equals, and you say if what, now we have to check this cell E. If cell E7, now sorry, if you have to put in a bracket, if cell E7 is greater than, now where is an A where is an A starting from? Our A is starting from 80, and therefore because it starts from 80 and we have got the decimal numbers here, you know that some numbers may be 79.5, which are rounded off to 80, and therefore we can still just place there 79.49, which will now include our 79.5 as an A. Now, if E7 is greater than 79.49, then we declare an A. You have to ensure that your A is in bracket, as you put there capital A. Your A is in quotes, you have to quote it. Then you put there the second grade. You have to look for, just in case that one is not true, then look for another. If cell E7 is greater than, now the second number that you have to look for is for A minus, and that begins at 74.49. That is anything greater than 74.49, you have to declare A minus, but not more than 79.49. 79.49, thank you. And now we have to declare A minus. And now we again go if to look for the third, just in case these others are false. If cell E7 is greater than 64, not 64, 69.49, 69.49. Just in case it is beginning from 70, then it is so at this particular point now we have reached where the function will look for any value that is beginning at 70. Then it will give B plus if it is 70 to 74. Then from 75 to 79, that is an A minus. Then 17, then 80 or 75, 79.5, that is 80. 80 to 100, that will be an A. And this one, as you see, any value greater than 100 might be given as an A. We are coming to correct that. So we put here again, if this cell is greater than 64.49, then declare a B. Then declare a B. Otherwise, if the value in this cell is greater than 64.49, then declare a B minus. Otherwise, if the value in this cell, is greater than 59.49, then declare as B minus, B minus. Otherwise, if the value in this cell is greater than 54.49, then declare a C plus. Otherwise, if the this cell, that is cell E7, is greater than. Now you have reached 55. Now we go to 50, that is 49.49. Then we have to declare. C